Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're mastering how to set reminder notifications in Trello for upcoming tasks in 2025. Firstly, open your Trello and click on the relevant board. Now, select the card for which you want to set a reminder. This helps us because it allows us to focus on specific tasks that need our attention at a later date. Next up, on the right side of the card, you will see an option called Add to Calendar. Click on that. The reason we do this is to align the task with our calendar, making it easier to manage our time efficiently. Once you've done that, select the date and time you want the reminder to be sent. This is crucial as it helps us plan and prioritize our workload. After setting the date and time, click Save. Now you've set a reminder for your task on Trello, but let me explain why this matters. Setting reminders helps us to stay organized and never miss a deadline, which is especially important in a fast-paced work environment. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When the time comes, Trello will send an email notification reminding you of the task. This way, Trello is essentially acting as your personal assistant, keeping you on track with your to-do list. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to setting reminder notifications in Trello for your upcoming tasks. Remember, staying organized is key to success. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep Trelloing.